Kate here with WTI. Style and comfort, what more can you want from a pair of boots? I love these mid-calf boots from Zelaprox. These are a full leather boot and they're extremely comfortable. I absolutely love this thick, chunky sole. So this lug sole has deep indentations, perfect for winter, fall, anytime you may slip and slide. This gives you a great grip. They have a zippered side so you don't have to undo the laces in order to get them on. But if you do want to customize your fit, maybe you want it tighter, maybe you need a little more room, you can adjust the laces. These look so good so many ways. It's effortless style. You can wear this with a skirt or jeans or leggings, however you wish. It's going to look put together and stylish. I have worn these for long days. They are very comfortable, very easy to wipe clean. Everything comes right off. They look good as new. They are true to size. I'm a size 9. I have room for a nice pair of socks in here, so I would say stick with your regular sizing. But if you're looking for a great combat style boot, I think you'll love this one, and that's my point of view.